Hi guys, our plastic recycling won't take black plastic. So this is something that my wife bought, or at least came with something my wife bought. So I was wondering if I can make it into a rubber band powered car. Depends on whether I can glue the plastic together. I'm thinking of splitting it into 3 separate pieces, use 2 of them as the chassis for the car, front wheel, back wheel, and 2 sides, and then cut this bit into 2 short pieces to use as cross members to hold it apart. Depends, as I say, depends what glue I can use. I mean, I expect I can use super glue and baking powder, but I'll see if I've got any glue that will actually glue this type of plastic directly. The old plastic model glue, can't remember what it's called now, that dissolves the plastic. Polystyrene cement. So it depends what sort of plastic these are. I haven't glued it together yet, but that looks like that might work. I could use hot glue rather than polystyrene cement. If we do it like that, we could even use those holes for the axles. Or if I push these right up, no, we want space to wrap the rubber band around the axle, don't we? So we can't do that. We'll have to drill holes in the end so we can wrap the rubber band around there. So I used hot glue. So we'll use my favourite, a hot nail on a stick to melt some holes back and front for the axles to go through. And that will be my coat hanger car, I suppose. I have done something a little bit similar in the past. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the video description. So I've melted some holes through for the axles. I'll use bamboo canes for the axles because I just happen to have one handy. And I'll use my CDs where I've got these 3D printed hubs. So that'll go through there. We'll do that front and back, and we'll put rubber band on it. Or 2 or 3 rubber bands. All right, a few rubber bands for it. Connect them to the front cross member. Over the back axle, wrap it round. So it goes over itself, that will hold it in place. Hopefully we won't get a wheel spin, we might do. It's quite light, but I have got rubber tyres on here, or TPU anyway. Oh wow, that was a bit faster than I expected. Okay, camera down that end, see if we can hit the camera. And that works fine. So we'll call this one a coat hanger rubber band powered car. 4 CDs or DVDs. I've used 3D printed hubs, but you could use bottle caps, hot glued on there, or even just taped on there. That was a 3-way coat hanger that I cut up and hot glued together. And then we got bamboo canes or BBQ skewers for the axles, and some rubber bands. Job done.